Weekly.
Hey everyone, what's up? It's Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go visit a place that you can make something that you could really enjoy while sitting next to your pond or water feature. And we're going to learn a little bit about that. Unlike last week, we're not going to take the go-kart chariot. We are going to just beam ourselves there like people in Star Trek. So let's go. Ha! We made it here. We're going to go inside and see what this place is all about. There we go, going in. So Lisa, we made some wine this year and gave it to our clients, for Christmas. You guys got some bottles of wine over the holiday season. Can you tell us a little bit about what we did and how we actually got that wine into those bottles?
Absolutely. First of all, I own Grape Finale Hands-On Winery. What is a hands-on winery? Basically, we import grapes in our particular circumstances from South Africa, Chile, Washington, Oregon, and California, and we help our clients make their own wine. We make it here at our facility, so we have all of the equipment, the barrels, we help you crush your grapes, press the juice out, ferment the juice into wine. You barrel age or tank age it here on site,
okay.
And then you come back and you literally fill the bottles with wine, put your corks in, put your labels on, and you take it home. You put grapes in our crusher distiller.
I remember that. That was a messy night. I remember that.
But you got to taste the grapes, and you got to taste the juice that your wine was going to be made out of.
It's very sweet. It was very good. It was cool. We got to taste the wine from every step of the process. We got to taste the bare grape, and then we got to taste it all the way up.
And then when your young wine had finished fermentation, we put all the grape must in here, and we pressed the young wine out, and it ended up in a barrel. And then at the end of the process, you came back and you filled your bottles. Went through the process of hand corking your wine. And we were hands-on winery, so nobody stands around here with a glass of wine at the end of an assembly line watching the wine done. You're actually hands-on doing the process. So you literally peeled your labels off of a sheet of label paper. So if you see that some of the labels may be a little crooked, just not
Lisa put those crooked ones on for me.
Oh, thank you very much. But it was a hands-on process applied with loving care.
When I tell people about a new pond, I describe it as though it's a fine wine and it gets better over time. But when is really a great time to actually pop open that cork and sit next to your pond and drink that bottle of wine?
Mm-hmm. Is usually when it's released and it actually ends up on the liquor store shelves. It's ready to be drunk. There are some very fine wines. They're considered storable and ageable. There's a lot of resources online that you can look at to help you figure out when the best time is to drink a bottle of wine. But it really varies depending on the storage conditions and personal taste. So what I always recommend, if you've got a special bottle of wine and you decide you're going to drink it, create a really memorable event around drinking that bottle of wine. Special meal, invite friends over.
So what you're saying, Lisa, is pop open that bottle of wine, sit next to your pond, listen to that waterfall roll, watch your lights come on and enjoy the evening.
Absolutely, that's a great place to enjoy a bottle of wine.
Best time to drink that bottle of wine.
There's actually a special night every year called Open That Bottle of Wine Night. It's the last Saturday in February, and you can literally get online with thousands of people around the world and pop open that special bottle. Open That Bottle of Wine Night the last Saturday in February every year.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, Lisa.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Thank you. That's this week's Weekly Ribbit. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about wine, learning about the fact that you can actually go make your own wine somewhere, bring it home, pop the cork, and go sit out by your water feature and have a wonderful evening or day sipping and relaxing. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. If you have any questions pertaining to ponds or anything else, please ask them. We'll find the answers out for you. We'll answer them in a fun, humorous, exciting way. So fill out the form below. It says weekly ribbit question submission. Get us your pictures, get us your questions, and thanks a lot for watching. We really appreciate it. Have a great week.